Namaskar. Today we'll be discussing on Rag Basant. You may be wondering why, the last video also I did not put, it wasn't focusing on me as such, but I gave a background. Okay, so I think it's nice to have intermediary changes like this. So when you look at the scenery, it's more listening to the song that is more important, isn't it? And also Basant is actually I'm going to sing Rag Basant, and that would be a seasonal raga. So in the season where green, yellow, these colors are emerging so beautifully, it's so much more pleasant to keep the scenery in front of you. Of course, we can vividly imagine the scenery, but here right in front, if we have these beautiful colors, subtle, green, yellow, blue colors with the sunlight streaming in, it's so much nicer. Okay? That's the reason why I thought I'll keep this as the background and I'll focus on my singing, right? Okay, now Rag Basant, it's an ancient raga, enumerated in many of the granthas or ancient scriptural literature. You will find it in many of the granthas. If you look up for the ragas, Rag Basant has been mentioned. So which means it's quite an old ancient raga. This raga emanates from Purvi Thaat. Now, Purvi Thaat has the chief characteristics of Rishabh and Dhaivat being common with Tivrama. But in this, of course, there is Shuddhama as well as Tivrama. Both mas are evident, but Tivrama is the chief characteristic. Rishabh and Dhaivat as Komal Swaras is also the chief characteristics. Now, the Jati would be out of Sampurna, because in Aroha they say 5 Swaras are taken, Rishabh and Panchamana are taken. In Avroha, that is as you descend with the Swaras, all Swaras are taken. Therefore, it is termed as out of Sampurna. But of course, the Chalan or the Pakad will have a blend of both the Aro and Avro. So, in that composition of that Chalan or something, I don't think you can really see the missing elements as such. You will see these Swaras as they are. Okay. Then, of course, this is an Uttarang Pradhan Rag, and since it's a Rutu Raga, in the particular Raga, Rutu of Basant, or Basant as they call it, one can sing, at any time. Okay? And that Tivra Ma, Dha and Sa, okay, when you have that combination like Ma, Dha, Sa, because in the Bandish it will have a different intonation, but Ma, Dha, Sa and Ma, Dha, Re, Sa, these, whenever you have these phrases, it will give you the melodic structure, okay, of Rag Basant. And then of course this Bandish depicts the ecstasy of Gopikas in Vrindavan wanting to meet Krishna in the Basanta Mela. And when the Lord arrives, the entire atmosphere is also in adulation with flowers and gardens in full bloom. This is followed by a Bandish, in describing Lord Shiva and Parvati, and of course followed by Tarana. Okay, so this is the gist of the, the rendition as such. Saga Madha Re Sa Ni Sa Sa Ni Ra Pa Ma Ga Re Sa Sa व्रज देखन को चलो रे भगवान व्रज देखन को चलो रे भगवान चलो रे भगवे मिलेंगे कुंवर गाना भगवे मिलेंगे कुंवर गाना जहाँ बाट चलत जहाँ बाट चलत बोले कगवा भगवान व्रज देखन को चलो रे भगवे मिलेंगे कुंवर गाना जहाँ बाट चलत बोले भगवान व्रज देखन को चलो रे समा माग मदनी दप मदसानी दप मग मग रे सा भगवान व्रज देखन को चलो रे मग मदर सा रे नी दप मग मग रे सा व्रज देखन को चलो रे मद सा रे सा नी द प मद रे सा आई बहार सकल वन फूले रसीन लाल को ले अंगवा आई बहार सकल मन भूले रसीन लाल को ले अंगवा भगवान व्रज देखन को चलो रे ni sa ga ma ga re sa ni sa ga ma da pa ma ga re sa ni sa ga ma da ni da ma ga re sa ni sa ga ma da ni da pa ma ga re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni sa ga ma da ni sa da ni re ga re sa ni re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni sa ga ma da ni sa ga ma da pa ma ga re sa ga ma da ni da pa ma ga re sa ga ma da ni re ga re sa ni re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa भगवान देखन को चलो रे सनि द प म द सनि द प म द सनि द प म ग रे सा सम म ग म नि द नि ग रे सनि द प म ग रे सा भगवान देखन को चलो रे सनि द प म ग द सा सनि द प म ग सा म ग म द सा सनि द प म ग रि स नि स ग म ध नि सा सनि ध नि सा ग रे नि सा ग म ध सा म ग रे स नि द ग रे सा भगवान देखन को चलो रे भगवान देखन को चलो रे भगवान देखन को चलो रे पशुपति गिरिजापति हर शंकर हरदायिनी पशुपति गिरिजापति हर शंकर वामदेव महादेव गंगाधर शिव पिनाकनी गंगाधर शिव पिनाकनी नीलकंठ नीलकंठ शूल पाणि गंगाधर शिव पिनाकनी नीलकंठ शूल पाणि पशुपति गिरिजापति पशुपति गिरिजापति हर शंकर हरदायिनी नवल किशोर पे कीजे कृपा चरण को भक्त जुगल चरण को शंभु सहित श्री भवानी शंभु सहित श्री भवानी 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 पशुपति गिरिजावति हर शंकर दागिनी भगवान देखन को जलोरी भगवान देखन को जलोरी नादिर दिम 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 दननन दिम 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 नादिर दिम 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 दननन दिम 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 दनननननननन दोम दननननननन दिम दनननननन दोम दनननन नादि 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 दानि 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 दोम दननन दोम दनन दोम दननन दिम 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 नादि दिम नादि दिम नादि दिम दोम दननननन दोम दननननन दोम दननननन दोम दनननन नादि दिम नादि दिम नादि दिम दानि 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 नादि दानि 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 दि 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 नादि दि 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 नादि दिम 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 निरगिड दिम दिम निरगिड दिम 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 निरगिड दिम 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 बाट चलत बोले One scene is of Krishna with Gopikas, and they refer to the poetic way of referring to him as Kuvar, Kana. Now the next one was depicting Shiva and Parvati. So of course the picture, it just starts with Lord Krishna, Gopikas, Ras Leela as such. Now in our epic, these scriptures, number of innumerable stories of even Radha Krishna and different anecdotal images as well as stories are given. So this gets completed, and also in the hills, in the mountainous regions, in the north of India as such, as well as of course the south, but there's predominantly everywhere around you will find the temple of Shiva and Parvati. So these deities are so important. So we're getting the picture of, the Vrindavan, the Ras Leela, as well as in the higher up the mountain ranges, we have the pictures of Shiva and Parvati. all in, I mean, the general population as an adulation to these deities. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you.